CoSpaces Edu tutorial, physics tutorial by Skye. My tutorial is about how to use physics. So today I will be showing you how to use physics in CoSpaces. So first you want to tap the library, then you want to tap building, bring out any solid wall or any kind of wall you want. Try to make it diagonal and long. And then so after that you wanna bring out a ball, any kind of ball you want. So you get the ball out. I chose this ellipsoid. And what you want to do after is you want to place the ball right up there. And then after that, you either want to tap the ball, you want to double tap the ramp or the ball, and it doesn't matter which. So double tap this. Okay, so you want to turn on physics and make the friction higher, and then double tap the brick wall, and then make sure you tap set static. And then I got a tree, so the ball's gonna knock down the tree. So you also want to double tap this tree over here, and you want to turn and try to turn like the mass down so it's not that heavy and the ball can make the tree fall over. So before, I never knew that the mass was at 5.0, so after I realized, then I turned the mass down. And that's how you use physics. Thanks for watching. Bye.